What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the Android Wear from Mobvoi. So this kind of watch is so spectacular to its own kind of thing. So the version which we're having is the Ticwatch E2 from Mobvoi. Woo! There we have it. Woo! This looks so great. As you can see, guys, this is the Mobvoi watch, and it's powered by Wear OS, which is powered by Google. So it's really kind of great throughout this kind of watch, and it packs with a lot of ingredient. And yeah, let's unbox it and see what's packed inside. We are getting the paperwork already somewhere here. Let me see what's this, because I'm just fascinated with how much they kept it. It's just a normal getting started. So tips before you get started. You get this. Just drop the box just like that. Whoa, that's dope. You can see we're having the watch here, something which is so great. What's inside? Paperwork again. We're getting another kind of paperwork which shows you how you can use the watch. Well, you know about our channel, we usually don't do this. Sometimes we do it. So on this kind of another kind of paperwork. Ooh, silicone. You remember this kind of stuff we talked about last time on our video, that this kind of silica, it keeps away from insects and it keeps away from bacterial stuff, I guess, and it keeps away from any kind of non-materialistic thing. I guess it's material inside, but I think this keeps away from insects. We're having the power charger for the Mobvoi, so you don't get an adapter. Don't claim to Mobvoi and tell them, hey Mobvoi, can I get an adapter for connecting this kind of USB? Well, right now, each one of us have an adapter laying around the house. You can use it and charge your watch. This is really kind of great and amazing kind of pattern packed with this kind of watch from Mobvoi. So we're gonna open it here, somewhere here at the back, just like that, and release the watch from this kind of packaging, something which is so great. So you can see how much the watch looks like. The screen, it's really bigger in size. This kind of screen, it's a 1.39 AMOLED display, something which is so great. And it has an accelerometer and a gyroscope, and you can get even the heart rate sensor at the back. As you can see, there's a 24/7 heart rate sensor and some I/O pin for charging. So let me show you guys how you can charge this kind of bad boy. You see this kind of plate, it's really kind of great. You just keep it here. It's a little bit kind of magnetic, perfect. So you just dock it and you keep your watch this way, and it's really kind of great to go for you for charging your watch. It's really kind of great and amazing kind of power charger, which I like it. It looks like Moto 360 back in the days. It's really kind of great and amazing. The watch, it's really kind of bigger, to be honest, and we can peel out this kind of sticker. Nice. So we can power on and we can see, oh, that's dope. So guys, right now we are greeted with welcome to Wear OS. You can click learn more and you can swipe any direction you want. View notification to expand. You can click there just like that. Tap to close, clear all. You can clear. You can swipe another direction. You can see this direction is for exercise, for a nap, for exercise. You can click on this kind of direction if you do not log in. Okay, on this kind of top direction, you can see their notification center, which you can go directly to settings side, and you can adjust even the adjustment of brightness, something which is so great. You can go back, you can squeeze this kind of notification again, you can go directly to settings now. Now another kind of stuff which you might be confusing sometimes, it's all about this kind of brightness button and settings. Sometimes I clicked it, I thought that it's settings, but it's a brightness. So go directly to settings. Guys, you can see we're inside settings. You can see bunch of options there as how they are. You can see you can go directly to general for any kind of adjustment. If you don't want anything, you can swipe just like that. You can check out your storage from your watch, how much storage it's working. It's really kind of great to know the storage or the size, and you can see if it's data and app size. You can see how much your apps they are there. You can see how much they are. You can go back again by swiping, and you can even this is a download manager. It's updating things on the Google Play Store. Perfect. So if you swipe down or swipe down, the notification when it pop-ups, it just shows you. So if you swipe down, you see no notification right now. So if you hold it here, you can see you can change to any kind of watch face you want. There are a bunch of watch faces which comes with it. You can see a model, which is something which is so great with that kind of watch face there. You can click again here to see all your apps. You can see your apps, they're running there smoothly. So for the first time you might be seeing it's like it's loading or something, it's delaying, but it's the first time for usage. It takes a little bit kind of a while for the watch to synchronize with everything. So you can see it's a little bit kind of heavy since there are apps which are downloading at the background. I think it makes it a little bit kind of heavy. So let's go to Play Store here and see what's happening. Still, I guess it's updating its kind of libraries and stuff. So let's go back here. You can see we're having Google Assistant. If you swipe up this way and it tells you what's happening, you can see hourly forecast. You can check out some forecast. You can talk with your Google Assistant directly throughout the watch, something which is so great about this kind of watch. And you can see hourly forecast. It will give you some hourly forecast directly throughout your watch and gives you that kind of results on the go, something which is really kind of brilliant. You can see Sombettini, it's 29 degrees, something which is so great, and a low of 19 degrees, something which is so awesome. It's packed with bunch of apps on your Google Play Store. You can download each kind of app throughout your Google Play Store, and it can even synchronize on your phone. Another kind of great about this kind of watch, it's built-in Google Assistant, something which is so perfect. So I really can enjoy this kind of great and amazing kind of watch of Ticwatch, and I'll let you know guys like in a week coming how much it performs still, but it's really kind of great, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of great and amazing review and unboxing of the Ticwatch E2. It's really kind of perfect watch for those people who like a bigger watch. I really recommend the Ticwatch E2. Yeah, that's what's up guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing review. I'll be catching your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys. Peace.